What is JSON-LD? And why is it so important for building content and ranking on search engines? And why is it so important for answer engines like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude? I'll explain everything in this video. Hi there, I'm Jason Patel, the co-founder and CEO of Open4j. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It goes a long way in helping me make more content. All right, let's get started. So what is JSON-LD and why is it so important for answer engine optimization and search engine optimization? JSON-LD, which is JavaScript Object Notation for Linked Data, has become the backbone of modern SEO and search visibility. Think of it as your website's digital business card, but one that's specifically designed for search engines to read and understand. So JSON-LD is considered structured data. Structured data is like giving search engines a cheat sheet about your content. Instead of making them guess what your page is about, you're telling them directly and precisely with structured data. JSON-LD helps search engines understand your content's context with 100% clarity, eliminating any guesswork about your page's purpose or meaning. Unlike other formats like microdata or RDFA, JSON-LD doesn't require you to modify your HTML markup. It's clean, separate, and easier to maintain. As a pro tip, start with the most common schema types like organization, local business, or article to get the quickest SEO wins. These schemas have the highest adoption rates and are most likely to generate rich results. Search engines love JSON-LD because it's predictable and easy to parse. When you implement it correctly, you're essentially speaking their language. Websites using properly implemented JSON-LD markup are 4 times more likely to appear in rich results than those without structured data, which is nuts. So here's what search engines can do better with JSON-LD. Understand your content's context, display rich snippets in search results, feature your content in knowledge panels, show up in voice search results, and then power answer boxes or people also ask boxes and featured snippets. Answer engines are the next evolution in search. They don't just find information, they understand and synthesize it. JSON-LD plays a crucial role in answer engine optimization because it provides clear, structured information that these systems can easily process and verify. Answer engines rely heavily on structured data to provide direct answers to user queries, making JSON-LD implementation essential for future-proofing your SEO strategy. This structured approach helps your content appear in voice search results, feature snippets, and AI-powered search interfaces, as I mentioned before. So let's take a quick look at how major brands use JSON-LD. Amazon uses it to mark up product pages with precise pricing, availability, and review information. News orgs use it to identify articles, authors, and publication dates. These implementations help search engines understand exactly what's on the page and how it relates to user queries. The impact is clear. You get better visibility, richer search results, and higher click-through rates. Creating JSON-LD code isn't as complicated as it might seem. Think of it like writing a recipe. You're just listing out ingredients, like properties, in a specific format. The most effective JSON-LD implementations start with a clear understanding of your content type and its essential properties. So here's a basic structure for a local business. Start with the context and type. Then add basic information like name, address, and phone. Include specific details like hours and services, and then add relationships like parent company and locations. And always include as many recommended properties as possible for your chosen schema type. The more complete your markup, the better search engines can understand and display your content. Now, before implementing JSON-LD, you need to validate it. Common errors can completely negate the benefits of your structured data. Testing tools can identify up to 95% of common JSON-LD implementation errors before they impact your search performance. So watch out for these frequent mistakes. Syntax errors often creep in through missing commas or brackets. Property mismatches happen when you use incorrect value types. And nested relationship errors can confuse search engines about how your data connects to each other. Local business markup is particularly powerful because it helps your business show up in local search results and Google Maps. Your JSON-LD should include precise geographic coordinates, service areas, and business categories. This will help search engines understand exactly where you operate and what you have to offer. Local businesses with complete JSON-LD markup are 70% more likely to appear in the local pack results than those without structured data. And I'm honestly surprised that number isn't higher. So make sure to include operating hours, accepted payment methods, and any special attributes that make your business unique. So the $1,000,000 question, how do you add JSON-LD to your website? All told, adding JSON-LD to your website starts with proper placement, obviously. The HTML head section is like the brain of your website, and that's exactly where your JSON-LD needs to live. Placing JSON-LD in the head section ensures your search engines find and process your structured data before rendering the rest of the page content. So that's where it goes. This placement is crucial because it allows search engines to understand your content's context before they even begin passing and parsing the main body of your page. As a pro tip, keep your JSON-LD code consolidated in one block rather than scattered throughout your entire head section. This makes it easier to maintain and update. Also use Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager offers a flexible way to implement JSON-LD, especially for large websites or when you need to make frequent updates. Dynamic JSON implementation through GTM can reduce structured data maintenance time by up to 80% compared to manual HTML updates. The process involves creating a custom HTML tag and setting appropriate triggers. This method gives you centralized control over your structured data implementation. And then you need to validate your implementation. Validation is crucial for ensuring your JSON-LD is working as intended. Google's Rich Results Test and Schema Markup Validator are your best friends here. These tools will help you if your syntax is correct, required properties are present, values are in the expected format, and if your markup qualifies for rich results. So implementing JSON-LD is just the beginning. You need to monitor how it performs in the real world. Regular monitoring of your structured data performance can identify opportunities for increasing rich result visibility by up to 40%, if not higher. So how do you do this? Well, watch your Search Console reports for changes in rich results and CTR. Track which schema types are generating the most engagement. So let's move on to the next step in exploring advanced JSON-LD. Nested relationships in JSON-LD allow you to create complex interconnected data structures that better represent real-world relationships, which is really good for semantic search when it comes to AI. Properly structured nested relationships can increase search engines' understanding of your context by up to 60%, if not higher. Think of it like a family tree. You're not just listing family members. You're showing how they're related to each other. As a pro tip, use the @ID property to create unique identifiers for entities you'll reference multiple times in your markup. This creates cleaner, more maintainable code. Dynamic JSON-LD generation is essential for websites with frequently changing content or large-scale operations. Your CMS or e-commerce platform can automatically generate JSON-LD based on the following: product inventory changes, price updates, stock availability, user-generated content, and of course, event schedules. Automated JSON-LD generation can reduce structured data errors by 90% compared to manual implementation, which brings us to automating schema updates. Keeping your JSON-LD current requires automation, especially for large sites. This isn't just about maintenance, it's about staying competitive. Modern automation tools can monitor your content changes and update your JSON-LD accordingly. Our platform, OpenForge AI, does exactly that. So this ensures your structured data always matches your actual content. Automated schema updates can help maintain 99.99% accuracy between your visible content and structured data markup. This level of consistency is crucial for maintaining trust with search engines and ensuring optimal visibility in search results. Now, overall, JSON-LD has become the gold standard for structured data implementation, offering clear advantages for search visibility and answer engine optimization. Its clean syntax and separation from HTML markup make it the preferred choice for both developers and search engines. As search continues to evolve toward more intelligent, context-aware systems, especially with AI, proper JSON-LD implementation will become even more crucial for maintaining competitive advantage in search results. Start implementing JSON-LD on your key pages today to improve your search visibility and prepare for the future of search as it comes tomorrow. All right, that's it for this video. Hope I cleared things up about JSON-LD. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found me helpful. I'm Jason Patel of OpenForge AI, and we help you get seen by ChatGPT and other answer engines. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.